Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Crypto Coinsmith. How you all doing today? It's finally made it to the weekend. We're looking at some green in the crypto world trading today. Looks good. Looks like Bitcoin is having a nice upside. What I'm going to try today is to do something a little different. I'm just going to do a voiceover. Let you all in the background. Why don't you look at this video? It's another one of my night scope videos. You can just there's a whole bunch of stuff floating through this this video. Some I think I know what they are. Let's see if you could pick them out. A couple of things streaking. They're just fun to look at. If you see a light straight line going through it, that's my laser pointer. I'm pointing out different things in the video, so at least I can mark or things that areas that I'm trying to concentrate on. It's not our buddies up there firing back down to us down here, at least at me anyway. So all right, let's check this out. First, I have to say, once again, I am not a financial advisor, so please do not use any information from this channel as financial advice, but you can use it for information and educational purposes. So, with that, let's get going. I found a rather encouraging from Crypto Globe, an encouraging article from Mr. Matthew Williamson. He is talking about crypto market sees green as Facebook and institutional investors show interest. This is the kind of stuff we're looking for. This will propel, once it really happens, this will propel the industry, which will hopefully drive price and make us all a little bit happier that we're involved in this arena called cryptocurrency. So, without further ado, the article is centering around that crypto and blockchain space was rife with promising news over the past 24 hours, and the markets reacted accordingly. Financial services guide Fidelity Investments, there's one of my favorites, confirmed what many had long surmised: the institutions are coming. Next up was the Wall Street Journal, which reported that Facebook is actively recruiting leading payment processor and e-commerce merchant to support its crypto-based payment system. We also learned that Ethereum's 2.0 first phase is on track to go live next month. Bitcoin led the way today, climbing 4.12% to 5671. It's actually higher now. I think we're on track for 5700. As for Ether, it too finished in the green at 163.74, and this has changed as well. Okay, the MVIS Crypto Compared Digital Asset 10 Index enjoyed a 0.85% jump, reaching 2,797.90. Okay, again, all pricing was as at time of the writing. Wall Street Journal, Visa, MasterCard among those in talks to support Facebook crypto payment system. Facebook is actively recruiting allies to support its under construction crypto-based payment system, per Thursday report from the Wall Street Journal. Internally dubbed Project Libra, the blockchain-powered initiative will reportedly feature a U.S. dollar collateralized stablecoin, which Facebook hopes to collateralize with up to $1 billion in new capital put forward by its launch partners. Companies alleged to be in talks with the social media giant about supporting the crypto payment network include the world's two largest payment network operators, Visa and MasterCard payment processors. First Data, as well as prominent e-commerce merchant. An e-commerce merchant. What's more, the Wall Street Journal also reported Facebook is floating the idea of rewarding users with fractions of the stable coin in exchange for viewing advertisements or even simply spending time on its social platform. Okay, Fidelity US institutional survey augurs well for crypto. A 10-week-long survey conducted on behalf of the financial services giant Fidelity Investments has indicated U.S. institutional investors' view of crypto asset in a positive light. Wow, that's great. That's what we want. We've got to hear stuff like this. Of the 441 surveyed, roughly 22% revealed that they already own crypto assets, with most investments having been made within the past 3 years, Fidelity stated in a press release. Among the survey's various other findings was that 47% of institutional investors view digital assets as having a place in their investment portfolios. When asked about the obstacles facing the asset class, respondents' common concerns related to price volatility, regulatory uncertainty, and a lack of guiding fundamentals. So here we go. This is great news. It's showing, that what we believe as a group, when you're in, looking for articles like this, it helps to bolster your belief that, yes, the institutional funding companies are going to be right behind when media giants like Facebook, hopefully, Skype or Twitter, or, the list goes on and on and on. I talked about in another presentation that I did that Gmail, or you're using email, and I just happen to use Gmail from Google, that, if you're in an underbanked nation and you want to send money to your friend who's across town and you have internet service, if you have either the native fiat currency for that country or dollars or whatever, and you wanted to convert that to crypto in order to send it, you could do that online, convert that money to a cryptocurrency of your choice using an application like that, and then send that via an email to your friend, who could then convert it. As long as they have a wallet and he has an address and so forth, he can then convert it or store it or use it or convert it back to the currency of choice. Stuff like this is going to come up. It's going to happen quick. First to the table, we eat first, correct? Well, these companies know what's at stake. They see the opportunity here. They see a whole new technology source, a revenue stream, a different revenue stream for them to attack. And, with different investments now yielding, aside from the stock market, the bond market's all over the place. There was a potential yield curve invert when you're actually getting more of an interest payment on a 1 month versus a 10-year. I mean, that's crazy. Who's going to lock up money for 10 years when you can do it for a month and get more interest? There's just too much, there's volatility all over the place. No matter where you look, there is volatility. So I would rather, at this point, look at something that has a new technology coupled with it, in order to make to have substantial wealth pulled out of that technology. I believe blockchain is the way to go. and with that, obviously, cryptocurrency. So, so that's a little that's a really good article for us. Something to think about over the weekend. The weekends are usually heavy in trading in the crypto markets. A lot of people do a lot of their buying and selling over the weekends. I've seen a lot of price volatility, a lot of good gains Saturdays and a Sunday, and then it's stripped out on a Monday, Tuesday. And that's your day traders that are in there, unless something, some bad news happens along the way over that time period over the weekend. But uh, let's keep an eye on this one, and we'll see. Let me know what you think about, the channel, please. Anything you'd like to cover. Please give it a like if you like the content, or if you don't like it, that's fine too. Criticism, I can take criticism. It'll help me to produce better material. As I said, I'm getting used to this new software, so hopefully there's not a lot of. I worked some bugs out. I had some really bad, what do you call it, audio issues on a couple of my presentations. I'm sorry for that, but. So anyway, with that, everyone have a wonderful weekend. Thank you for tuning in. Please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and you'll be notified. And as always, God bless you all. God bless the United States.